In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your portfolio from CoinMarketCap to a CSV file, ensuring you can keep track of your investments with ease. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, organizing and analyzing your data is key to making informed decisions. Let's dive into this straightforward process to make sure you have all the information you need right at your fingertips. First things first, let's begin by opening CoinMarketCap in your preferred browser. If you haven't already set up your account, make sure you sign in with your credentials to access all the features available to you. It's important to be logged in to carry on with the steps I'll describe. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon, which is your gateway to all personalized features on the site. Go ahead and click on this profile icon. You'll notice a drop-down menu appearing, offering several options tailored for your needs. Among these options, locate and select My Portfolio. This section is crucial because it's where all your tracked cryptocurrencies and investments are compiled, giving you a comprehensive view of how your investments are performing. With your portfolio now in front of you, take a moment to browse through it. You'll see details laid out in a way that lets you monitor how well your investments align with your financial goals. Next, we'll move to exporting this data for further analysis or safekeeping. Look towards the page's interface to find options for exporting your data. Specifically, there will be an option to export your portfolio. Before you proceed, you'll want to confirm exactly what data you wish to export. If you're interested in exporting your transaction history along with the portfolio overview, make sure to select this option, ensuring you capture all necessary details for a thorough insight into your trading activities and overall performance. Now the stage is set for exporting your data as a CSV file. CSV files are particularly useful because they open smoothly in spreadsheet programs like Excel or Google Sheets, allowing you to organize and analyze your data extensively. To complete the process, click on Export to CSV. This action will prompt your browser to download the file, and depending on your settings, it might either save automatically to your Downloads folder or ask you to choose a location on your device for saving the file. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your CoinMarketCap portfolio to a CSV file. This simple yet effective step empowers you to further scrutinize and consolidate your investment data, granting you the clarity needed to make impactful financial decisions. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Keep track of your investments wisely, and we'll see you in the next video.